Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn your photo into unrealistic photo using AI scene and YouCam Perfect application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my YouCam Perfect application and I'm going to go to the photo edit and choose a photo you want to edit with this YouCam Perfect application. And for example, I'm just going to select a photo from this download folder. For instance, I'm going to choose this photo. Okay, I'm going to turn this photo into unrealistic photo with AI scene. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find the AI scene, and you can choose the scene, the type of the scene that you want to apply. And I'm going to choose imaginative. I'm going to select dazzling sky. Okay, and just wait for a moment until the process completed. You have to wait until 100% guys. Okay, it's almost done. And as you can see, this is the result. It looks amazing, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can turn our photo into unrealistic photo with YouCam Perfect application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.